Hey everyone, in this video we are going to look at how you can insert hyperlink in Google Docs. Hyperlinks lets you connect your readers straight to a website, document, email address, or even another section of your document. First step is you want to select your text which you want to make hyperlink. So let's say I can add here my video. Now I'm going to select it, right click, and from the drop down you want to choose insert link. You can also use this shortcut command plus K or control on K if you're on Windows. Just click on it, paste your link. So as I said, you can paste here your email, you can paste your other document, you can paste a website link, you can paste your YouTube video, then click on apply, and now it's going to be highlighted, so you know the hyperlink is working now. And now if I click on it, you can see it's going to give you this preview of the video, and you can open it if you click on it. It will pop up this another preview, and you can click on this open in new tab. Now let's try something different. Let's say I would like to hyperlink to the education section. I can select my video, I can right click, edit the link. I'm gonna firstly remove the YouTube link. I'm gonna scroll, and at the bottom you have headings, bookmarks, and tabs. So you want to select this, and from the drop down I want to simply find the education heading. So it's over here. I'm gonna select it. Now if someone clicks on this, it's going to redirect him to this education. So this is going to be all for this video, how you can add hyperlinks inside Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.